have made it to our hotel. We're staying at the Hyatt Ziva in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Again, it's a resort, not a hotel. But I am about to give you guys a room tour, so come along. Let me show you. We're in room 2401 on the 4th floor. It's just a standard king. So, as you enter the room, you have this super large mirror here off to your left, perfect for those selfies and that get ready picture, all of the good stuff. And as you enter the room, right here, you have a large double closet. And when you open the door, you see how the light came on there. You got some extra linen there to change your bed linen if you need to. Some hangers, ironing board, and our iron is down there as well. Our concierge has already been in the room, and he told us that he's going to be bringing us some robes and some slippers. On this side of the closet, you have your safe, some shelving here. So there's plenty of room in this closet for all of your things, guys. And off to the right here is the bathroom. It's a pretty spacious bathroom at that, and it is really nice because it has like this marble floor and the walls. But you have your water closet here. That has the toilet, of course. That's what a water closet is, for those who don't know. And then the shower. It's a pretty decent sized shower. It has some of your bath essentials there. Shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And over here you have your sink with some shelving. You have a hair dryer down there. Couple of small shelves here for some things. And then you also have a vanity mirror here. Let's see how to work this. Gotta figure out how to work this thing, but maybe a switch to get it going. There we go. So that is the vanity mirror there. And the tub. All right. I love that they have the tub separated from the shower. Because if I want to take a soak, I hate getting in a tub shower combo. Ugh, it's disgusting. But anyways, as you enter the room, here's a little setup for the minibar. They don't have any drinks in here. No liquor, if you know what I mean, in here yet. I'm going to have to ask the concierge about that. But you do have, on top of here, you have like glasses and cups and coffee mugs, some coffee, and I don't know if it's tea in there, but you have decaf and regular. Some chips and things, plantains, for those who like plantains. Some regular nacho chips, and then some ginger cookies or biscuits. And down here you have a refrigerator, and it's stocked with some waters, a few little refreshments, some soda. You can get, of course, they got the Stripe beer, the red Stripe. You wouldn't be in Jamaica if you didn't see a red Stripe. And then you have Presidente and a couple of apple juices. But we got to get the concierge up here to get us some liquor in the room. All right, so when you're entering into the sleeping quarters, you have your nightstand off to the right of the bed, and above that you have a working if I can, there we go. There it goes. Y'all see it come on there? light, night light, nightstand light here. So there we go. Goes all the way across the bed. You have outlets here for charging. And then this here, this is a little reading light. So when you land in bed and want to do some reading, that's perfect. All right. Then nice size king size bed. Over here, of course, let me go back a little bit. You have, this is, I don't know, maybe like a 50-inch TV, I want to say. And then you have some shelving down beneath it with some pull-out drawers for storage. And then as you go over here, have a nice little couch bench area with a table and chair. Perfect for if you're doing some business work, you know, you're doing some work, or if you just want to eat. It's a perfect little spot for that. On the other side of the bed, you have another nightstand with a pull-out drawer, and of course the same lighting setup over here and your telephone. And then I don't know if this is a pull-out couch or not, but you have a couch here. We're probably going to be using it as a little storage space for the suitcases, but you have that too. So you have ample amount of seating in the room. Then you have the balcony, which I've already been out there, but I'm going to show you guys. If I can get this door open. Alright, so nice size balcony. We have 2 chairs out here and a table. And this is our view. It's not quite a ocean view. It's like a partial ocean view. You can see the ocean over there. You guys, you see it? You see it? That beautiful ocean. Oh, yes. And this is the room tour. So yes, you guys, so if you're thinking about coming to Jamaica and you want to stay at the Hyatt Ziva, I've got to get used to that, y'all. The Ziva. I keep wanting to say Viva, but the Hyatt Ziva, yes, this is a beautiful resort so far. It is gated, so when we pulled up, it required a code and access to get in from the driver, so that was really nice. But this is a beautiful resort so far. But stay tuned though, you guys. I'm gonna be giving you so much more of a tour of this resort. So if you are interested in seeing all of that, keep watching. Don't you go nowhere. Keep watching. This is gonna be such an amazing time for the next 4 days. We're here for my cousin's vow renewal. Yes, it's gonna be so much fun. We got a group of 20 people here, and we're gonna be meeting up with them in a little bit here shortly once they all arrive. So, but don't forget, y'all, like this video, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be bringing you guys a whole bunch more travel content, and you are going to enjoy it. So just stay tuned and I'll be back. All right, see y'all. Oh guys, one thing I failed to mention during the little room tour is this on the balcony. You have this pull out here. It is for hanging like your swimsuits and things, swim trunks, swimsuits, whatever, after you get out of the pool or the ocean, so they can dry off before you put them back into your luggage. Or I don't know, for those of you who gonna put it back on, I don't know, but yeah, that wouldn't be me. But anyway, you have this little dryer thingy right there. All right.